Hi guys, welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I will show you how to add PDF files as images in Google Slides with PDF.co Web API and Zapier. Let's start. First, I will show you the sample PDF that we will use for this tutorial. And this will be the Google Slide template that we will use. We will now start creating the Zap. We will use Google Drive as our trigger app. You may use other cloud storage as your trigger. Select New File in Folder as the trigger event. Select the drive and the folder where your PDF file is located. Once you're done, you may now test the trigger. Once successful, press Continue. For the action, search and select PDF.co. Search and select PDF to anything converter as the action event. Let's now set up the action. For the output format, select JPG. For the PDF URL, search for the web content link from the trigger. You may also specify the pages that you want to convert and set a name for the output JPG. Once you're done setting up the action, you may now test it. Once the test is successful, you will be given a temporary output link to view and download your file. To insert the images into the Google Slides, we need to add another action. Search and select Google Slides as the action app. Then, select Create Presentation from Template as the action event. Let's start setting up the action. You may set the title of the presentation that will be created after running this Zap. You may also set the presentation to be open to public or private. Then, select the template that you will use. After that, insert the URL of the images from the PDF.co action into the fields of your template presentation. Once you're done, you may now test the action. Once the test is successful, it will automatically create a new presentation with the images inside. Here's what the new presentation looks like.
That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.